Here we got a 51 Hudson, twin H power. That means twin Hudson power. Get 2 carbs on it, 2 Carter carbs. Pretty much like all original. It's a ragtop. Spotlights. You got your thing here for like looking at your street light. If you're under the street light. And you got your original steering wheel, original gauges. Just talked to the owner. He says he is running it down the highway about 75-80 miles an hour. Cruises like nothing. Don't tell him nothing. You know, 3 on a tree too. Look at that. It was an automatic for a second. So 3 on a tree. And look at all the chrome that's on that dash. 3 on. I like 3 on a tree, man. These were the rides, man. These were like the hot ticket way back when. These are Hudsons. These are the real hot rod ticket, man. See how low and lean they look? How the, the molding is all incorporated into the fender skirts. Looks like one big bullet rocket, you know? And you got your split windshield. Last year, this is 51, the last year for the split windshield was 1953. And your antenna wire comes up right through the split in the windshield. So, that's a badass car, man.